Welcome back to the channel. Shout out to the team here at Xamar Plus. Today we have a special, fully event-packed day planned. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to tour some of the new developments here in Mogadishu, a couple minutes away from Lido Beach. The development is a new construction home, 3 stories, 300,000 USD, so I'm excited to see that. Secondly, we have to do some shopping. We have an event set up at SIMAD University. We're going to meet up with some of the students, some of the instructors, and some of the deans. Super excited about that. And then last but not least, we have a Somali film festival that we'll be attending. So stay tuned to see the premiere of the new episode of a special season of a television show that is yet to be released. So inshallah, you guys will stay tuned all the way to the end to check out all the parts of this video. And until next time, peace. Okay.
This is the park.
So this is like the courtyard. Oh, the park. Okay, so you can put your car in. So it just slides.
Yeah.
Okay, 2 cars. Yeah, you did say these are a lot bigger. Chandelier. Oh yeah. Wow.
We're gonna come in. We park the car here. This is children.
You gotta stop and have tea first. See if you can make it any further.
Okay, this is for small master room and small master room.
Kitchen? Yeah, separate too.
This is also the laundry room. It's like
Connected, yeah.
and also you got
To dry outside. Perfect.
and this is like small balcony.
No, yeah, definitely. Got some sunlight, some air. And it goes upstairs too?
Yeah, come here. This is also exit.
Exit.
Yeah.
Another side exit.
So this is upstairs. So going upstairs is 4
Wow.
and 3 toilets. So this is a room.
Check out this bathroom. Wow.
So these 2 rooms, they can share this toilet.
Okay.
This is a floor.
Yeah, these are all big rooms. Huge windows.
This is master.
Oh, I got a balcony?
Yeah, in the evening.
Sure. I'll take this one. One more floor? Oh, one more room, okay. Wow. And the bathroom in?
It's on toilet. 2 master room.
2 master, yeah, so you can share. See, you get 2 couples could live here.
Yeah. I think it's 3 families they can live here.
Oh, when it goes up again? Bruh. Bro, this is different. This is different. Wow.
Yep.
This is beautiful. Wow, guys. Here in Mogadishu. So this goes for about 300K?
No, I think it's
Okay. 300K? Just flat?
Yeah.
Just flat 300K to buy?
Yeah.
That's good. What's up, guys? So we're headed to get some clothes today to head to SIMAD University, one of the most prestigious universities in all of Somalia. So they are an English-speaking, English-taught university and top 5 for certain. So excited to be able to go speak with some of the leaders and the students and see how we can work together. So yeah, headed there now. How long of a ride do you think it is? To get some clothes?
I think a couple minutes, less than 10 minutes.
Oh, okay, so just a quick ride. Al-Ma'az University. I promise I've seen at least 10, 12 universities myself since I've been here. Yeah, check out the Suzuki's. Yeah, we gotta check out the Suzuki dealership later because they have some really clean off-road vehicles that they don't have in other countries. Key University. That's 3 on the way, guys.
also.
Okay.
Lido is nice.
No.
You don't know?
No.
The Ministry of
Minister of Education.
Education here? Okay.
The White House.
That's good to know. I need that. Yeah, something way contributed. That was good.
Yeah, probably also the actually the University and then inside of institution, just institutions, in November 1999. You can see there's an eagle.
Yeah, that is okay.
Yeah.
Got spread wings.
Yeah, like his fishes, you know, like he's a catch the fish like 3 to inch fish.
أنا بقى أسترجع السيد الجو. أنا لسه بصور على
Alright guys, welcome to the premiere tonight. Shabakadda. So check it out. We're just chilling before the show. Doing some cultural events, hanging out, talking. Alright guys, so how was the premiere? Good? Good night? Yeah, that first episode was crazy. Yeah. So now we gotta see the whole series. What's the name of the app? Now see it. So it's competing with Netflix and Tubi and everything else now. So you guys gotta make sure you download, make sure you subscribe, check it out. Say what? What do you think?